Good morning, everyone. Today, I will explain two important directions of interaction in supply chain management: vertical and horizontal. Understanding these interactions helps us see how companies cooperate to deliver products faster, cheaper, and better to the final customer. We are focusing on two key directions of interaction that define success in modern supply chain management. The ultimate goal of mastering these interactions is simple: achieving faster, cheaper, and better product delivery to the final customer. But first, what exactly is a supply chain? A supply chain is essentially the network of suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and customers. These entities are connected by a constant flow of materials, information, and money. Every firm interacts with others, either above, below, or beside it. These are our vertical and horizontal direction. Let's start by exploring vertical interaction, which is all about depth. Vertical interaction is the cooperation between different levels of the same supply chain, for example, between a supplier and a manufacturer, or a manufacturer and a retailer. The direction is both upstream and downstream. The core aim is to synchronize the flow of goods and information. Common practices include vendor-managed inventory, collaborative forecasting, and just-in-time delivery. A perfect example is Procter & Gamble and Walmart, where P&G receives real-time sales data and automatically replenishes shelves, reducing stockouts for both. The benefits of strong vertical links include lower inventory costs, faster response to market changes, and ultimately, better customer service. However, there are challenges. Building deep trust, sharing sensitive operational data, and avoiding too much dependence on a single partner are critical considerations. Now let's look at horizontal interaction, which is defined by breadth. Horizontal interaction is cooperation between firms operating at the same level of the supply chain. For example, two manufacturers, two retailers, or two logistics providers. Instead of competing on everything, these firms collaborate on selected activities to create more value, like joint procurement to get better prices, or shared logistics to reduce overhead. A famous example is the airline alliances Star Alliance, SkyTeam, and Oneworld, where competing airlines share routes and lounges to enhance customer offering and efficiency. Horizontal collaboration leads to significant benefits: economies of scale, much lower operating costs, and wider market reach for all participating firms. The challenges here center on building trust between competitors, ensuring fair sharing of profits, and strictly complying with competition and antitrust laws. To wrap up, let's quickly compare these two directions and draw a conclusion. Vertical interaction is about depth, integrating with suppliers and customers, involving complementary roles. Horizontal interaction is about breadth, partnering with peers at the same level, often involving competing roles. Modern supply chains master both: strong vertical links for smooth flow and smart horizontal partnerships for scale and efficiency. Companies that achieve true excellence in both directions become industry leaders. Thank you.